Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6. By now, you're likely aware that the entry-level rear-wheel drive model packs 149 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque from a single motor. It's good for about 260 miles on a charge. On the opposite end of the spectrum, the all-wheel drive long-range version comes with an impressive 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque. It's capable of over 300 miles on a full charge and can sprint from 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. Though it's not the fastest EV on the market, it does have some pretty cool unique features. For one, its body shape makes it incredibly aerodynamic and it has remarkably low coefficient of drag, so it's able to use its battery life more efficiently as it fluidly moves through the air while you drive. In addition, Hyundai also went beyond just building an EV in terms of environmental friendliness with this car, and to give you more insight on that is me. In an effort to keep the Ioniq 6 as climate friendly as possible, instead of just making an EV and calling that good enough, Hyundai went to the next step with extremely sustainable and recycled materials throughout the interior. We're talking bio paint with vegetable oil bases and even recycled fish nets for the carpeting. No surprise to anybody that this is extremely comfortable, just like any other Hyundai model, and I wouldn't mind spending every day in here. Thank you so much for tuning into another MotorBiscuit video. My name is Braden Carlson, and be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, follow us on Instagram at MotorBiscuit Official, follow us on Twitter at Biscuit Motor, and for anything and everything automotive you could ever imagine, visit MotorBiscuit.com. The interior components of the Ioniq 6 are made from reusable and, I don't know, let me read the press release and see what it says again.